This product is an asphalt emulsion-based driveway sealer that's designed to enhance and protect the driveway. Airport Grade is an advanced formula that contains polymer additives for toughness and flexibility. This latexite airport grade driveway filler sealer is ideal for sealing hairline cracks in the asphalt or blacktop driveways and walkways. One pail can fill and seal 400 to 500 square feet smooth or previously sealed driveways of 300 to 400 square feet that are rough or unsealed. This airport grade asphalt can be applied with the Seal Right squeegee. It's an easy stir, non-skid formula that cuts down on application time. Make sure to clean the driveway thoroughly so the sealer will bond and avoid sealing when it's cold outside. It must be at least 55 degrees at night for the sealer to properly restore and last. It's also not ideal for sealing in early spring or late fall, as the sealer will not last or cure properly. The latexite airport grade driveway filler sealer is also low VOC, cold tar-free formula that easily cleans with soap and water. You'll never go wrong in purchasing this product, as it has a 4-year warranty to back it up. Did our first 2 products catch your eye? Well, hold on, because we still have 3 more products to feature, and one of them might be the precise solution for your pavement dilemmas. Before we go on with our list, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that bell icon to get the latest updates.